Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll teach you how to change your password on Gmail account. This process is the same for iOS and Android devices. First of all, make sure that you're connected with the internet. So let's get started. At first, open your Gmail and tap on the profile icon. Choose Manage your Google account. It'll open your Google account settings. Swipe to the right and choose Security. Go down and choose Passwords. Write your current password, create a new password, and change it. If you forgot your password, you can solve this problem with the help of the telephone number or Gmail address. So it was the full instruction for changing your password on Gmail account. I hope that this video was so useful for you. Don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel.